All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it's the Bissell Spotclean Pro. I'll tell you what, pound for pound, dollar for dollar, this is the best machine on the market. Now, I've been using it for about a year now. I've done some amazing work with it, but nothing compares to what I'm gonna show you guys today. This is an all-out full transformation from a seat that was ready for the junkyard to backed up pretty darn reasonable. So if that's something you wanna see, you're in the right place. So let's talk about what we're doing. We're gonna be using the Bissell Spotclean Pro. We're going to be using P&S Carpet Bomber, carpet cleaner, and upholstery cleaner. And you know what? Last week I did a review about this. So if you guys already saw that, you probably saw a little bit of the seat cleaning. But today we're going to dive in deep and show the process from start all the way to finish. So we'll apply the P&S onto the seat with the IK sprayer. Man, this thing works great too. I love it. And we'll use a drill brush to agitate it into the seat. Now don't worry about the products, guys. I'll leave links down in the description so you guys can check them out, and we sure appreciate it. But without any further delay, one more quick thing. The first video I ever did on this channel was a review and unboxing of this actual piece of equipment. I'll tell you what, it's pretty laughable. If you want to see that, I'll leave a link up there too. If you want to go back and see the first video, I laugh at it. But you can get to see the garage before I've done anything to it, which is kind of neat. All right, so let's dive in and get the seat cleaned up. Yeah. All right, so the vacuum did a good job. It got all the leaves up, all the dirt and grime. Now it's time to go ahead and start getting the seat ready for the extraction. So let's get the machine prepped, get everything ready. We'll put the product on and we'll get this dirt out of the seat. And we always want to make sure that we mix the product up good. We don't want it separating and settling on the bottom. All right, so now that we got a good bit of it agitated, it's time to run the extractor. So let's get out the favorite machine in the garage again. Here we go. Walking up on it, this old farm truck seat is sure coming clean. You know what, that P&S Carpet Bomber, man, it's doing a great job. I mean, this red dirt, we got to keep in mind, this has been saturated in this truck. This is a truck from back in the fields behind my house. Man, it's been saturated with red dirt for years and years. It's never been cleaned, and man, right down to just a few spotting, a little bit of stains. I gotta say, it's coming really clean. But one thing to keep in mind, they actually have a t-shirt company called Red Dirt T-shirt Company. Once this red dirt gets on, it doesn't come off. So, man, right now, I gotta say it's working great. Let's go ahead and hit the perimeter of the seat, hit the back, and get it dried up, and we'll go from there and see what it looks like. All right. right, so wow, already an amazing difference. Super nasty and reasonable up here already with just one pass. All right. All right, so let's see what come out of the machine. This is where the rubber meets the road. Oh, man. All right, I gotta say that transformation turned out amazing, man. From that junkyard seat to something that any one of us would sit on with no problem whatsoever. So the PNS cleaner and the Bissell Spotclean Pro really came through, and I had my doubts. When I first put the seat down in the garage, I thought to myself, is this gonna come clean? It better, and it did. So again, I'm super satisfied with all these products. With that being said, if you guys have any questions about anything I did here in the shop or anything that's going on in the shop, don't hesitate to ask. I like to try to answer all the questions as quick as I can to try to help you guys out, and I appreciate it. If you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing so you don't miss any more of our future videos. And like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff helps, and we really appreciate it. And I'll tell you what, I'm gonna add this to the list. Man, the Bissell Spotclean Pro is a great product, yeah.